trick that can help you guys out with today's virtual environment. Matterport's got some pretty cool additional tools, and I'm going to show you one of those real quick about if a customer asks about measurements or whatnot. So you can go ahead and click into the Matterport. Here's a recent one we have for Kim. And let's say I wanted to, in this room here, I wanted to measure the size of this mantle for this fireplace. If you go down to the bottom here, there's something called a measurement tool. You can click on that measurement tool. Click this little start button, and you're going to see it's going to give you a little measurement. You can see, you can get really close there. You click on it, and then drag it across. You can see that's telling you that that is 6 foot 6 inches for that measurement. If you want to do to the ceiling, you can do that as well. And there you go. So if I want to trash that one out, I trash it out. Let's say that I wanted to get some measurements on this window. Do the same thing. You come into the measurement tool. I can measure the width of the window, measure down how big it is, and across. Pretty cool. Lastly, let's say that you wanted to measure a room. Go to floor plan view, and I'm going to go ahead and click the measurement tool again, and I'm going to click on the wall and click across, and that room is 27. From here to here is, looks like about 6 foot 6 inches. Same thing if I want to go to this room here. I can go and click the little plus, click from here to here. That room's 20 foot by 21. So hopefully you found this helpful. Dig into Matterport. It's got really cool features. If you want to get in and engage people even more, there's some additional user tools that you can add to it. I can open that up to you if you want. But start playing around with the tools that you're going to be sharing with your customers. I hope this was helpful.